Incoming quality checks prevent defects from entering the line. Non-conforming items are isolated until disposition. Kitting ensures the correct parts arrive at the right station.
Early traceability links every cabinet to its production history.
Careful unpacking prevents cosmetic damage before assembly. Sorting recyclables reduces waste from inbound packaging.
Verifying safety and tools prepares the line for setup.
Locking pins engaged. Check alignment marks.
Marks verified, good to go.
The torque value for the hinge is set at 25 Newton meters right here.
Understood. I'll note that adjustment for the sequence check.
Sensor aligned at station 4.
Stop check complete. Registering on the HMI.
Automatic checks prevent missing or incorrect parts. Early verification avoids electrical faults later in the line. Consistency. QC gate placement is appropriate after harness installation.
Verified adhesive ensures long-term insulation retention.
Offers balanced station cycle times without stopping the line. Secure condenser mounting supports efficient heat rejection.
Automated checks prevent airflow and electrical errors.
Proper drainage prevents internal moisture buildup. Temporary covers protect components as assembly continues. Verification ensures reliable illumination and safety.
Automated checks prevent door alignment issues later.
Secure gaskets prevent energy loss and condensation.
Okay, just a little higher on your side.
How's that alignment look?
Perfect. Hold it right there while I set the pins.
Verification prevents sealing and alignment issues.
Correct drawer installation ensures smooth freezer access.
Flush panels ensure appearance and durability. Completed assemblies move to end-of-line verification. Safe power-up enables functional testing. System initialization confirms control electronics respond correctly. Sensor feedback confirms proper thermal response. Units outside limits are held for controlled correction. Successful retest confirms corrective action effectiveness. Bagging shields surfaces from moisture and dust. Stretch wrap stabilizes the load for handling. Clear labels ensure accurate distribution and tracking. Buffers organize finished goods for efficient pallet building. First in, first out flow preserves material integrity and traceability.
So that's 30 cabinets total.
Yes, the system modules are also confirmed here.
Packaging scrap is compacted for recycling.
Metal scrap is segregated for certified recycling. Appliance metal recycling is realistic and compliant.
Hazard-free disposal prevents environmental contamination.
Staging prepares pallets for efficient loading. Timely dock transfer keeps shipments on schedule. Dispatch trucks begin distribution to customers.